So all of you mute your mic. Today we are going to start revision of chapter number 2, whole numbers. Only one revision, okay? So because this is a small chapter, not a big chapter. So let us go through the different types of questions. First type, successor and predecessor. And the second type, number line. In number line, we have again 4 types of questions. One is that we will see later. The third question is distributive property based questions. And the fourth one is word problems. And the fifth one is pattern in whole numbers. So now coming to numbers, number line, we have 4 types. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication, that is multiplying numbers, and division. And in patterns we have 2 types. One is identifying the rule and the second one is to write the next terms. So now we are going to start with the first topic, that is successor and predecessor. So predecessor of a natural number is the number obtained by subtracting 1. अगर कोई भी number पे हम लोग -1 करते हैं तो we will get the predecessor of that number, right? And for example 25. So 25 minus 1 is 24. So 24 is the predecessor of 25. And the numbers 16 comes before 17. ठीक है, predecessor का मतलब क्या है, कौन सा नंबर इससे पहले है. So 16 comes before 17. And we say that the predecessor of 17 is 16. That is 17 minus 1 is 16. And the predecessor of 20 is 20 minus 1. That is 19. So the number 1 has no predecessor when we are restricted to natural numbers. The number 1 has no predecessor in the collection of natural numbers. Similarly, the number 0 has no predecessor in the collection of whole numbers. Now this is very important. So we can say that 0 has no predecessor in collection of whole numbers and 1 has no predecessor in the collection of natural number. Now the next topic is successor. How we will get the successor? By adding 1. So successor of a given number, given natural number, is the number obtained by adding 1. Suppose 25 we are taking. So 25 का जो successor है, we will get by adding 1. That is 25 plus 1, 26. Right? Now we'll see few examples from exercise 2.1. Write the successor of 24 lakhs 40,701. Simply we have to add 1. तो क्या हो जाएगा, 24 lakhs 40,702. Next one. So next number is 1 lakh 199. So we have to add 1. अगर इसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे तो ये 200 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 1 lakh 200. Next is 10 lakhs 99,999. If we add 1 to this, so we'll get 1 lakh. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 1 को छोड़ देंगे तो that means 11 lakhs we are going to get. 11 lakhs. Now the last one, 23 lakhs 45,670. So we'll get 671 agar if we add 1. So this is the first question based on successor. Now we'll see the question based on predecessor. Write the predecessor of 94. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 1. So 94 minus 1. So we'll get 93. The first answer is 93. And the next one is 10,000. 10,000 minus 1. So we'll get 9,999. Now 2 lakhs 8,090. So 90 से पहले क्या आएगा, 90 minus 1 में क्या आएगा, 89. So we'll get 2 lakh 8,089. Now the next number is 76 lakhs 54,321. So 321, the last hundreds place, उसमें -1 करेंगे तो 320 हो जाएगा. That is 76 lakhs 54,320. So this is the predecessor. Okay. So now we are moving toward the next topic, that is number line. So number line, what we will do, we will draw a line. We will mark a point O, that is considered as a 0. Okay, label it 0. And mark second point to the right of 0, label it 1. and with the same distance we have to label other numbers. Okay, the distance between these points labeled as 0 and 1 is called unit distance. जितना हम लोग 0 और 1 के बीच में जो distance set कर रहे हैं उसको unit distance बोलते हैं. So on this line now we will mark to the right hand side right of 1, 2, फिर उसके बाद 3, 4, like that we will label all the numbers. Okay, so this is the number line for the whole numbers. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. Now we are going to see some topics under this number line. First, how to compare the numbers on number line. So जो number left side में होता है वो छोटा होता है, जो number right side में होता है वो बड़ा होता है, right? The number on the right of a given number is right of a given number is greater and left of the given number is smaller. Right. Now see, suppose I am giving one example. If we are going to consider 2 points, 5 and 10. So 5 is left of 10. That means 5 is less than 10. Now, if suppose I am going to take another numbers, 3 and 7. Now 7 is right of 3. So 7 is greater than 3. So we will see a few more examples. 11 and 6. 11 and 6. So 11 और 6 में 11 right side में है और left side में 6 है. That means 11 is greater than 6. Similarly, 4 and 7. 4 is left side of 7. So that means 4 is less than 7. Now take another two numbers, 5 and 8. So 5 is left side of 8. So 5 is less than 8. So this is the example of comparing numbers. Now we'll move toward the addition on the number line. So addition of whole numbers we can easily show on the number line. First, let us see by adding 3 and 4. So first we will draw a number line. Okay. So we will jump from first 0 to 3. यहाँ jump कर लेंगे. ठीक है. Now 3 से start from 3. Since we are adding 4 to this number, we have to make 4 jump. So let us move 1, 2, 3, 4. So we reached at 7. So that means 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Okay, so we'll see subtraction. Addition में right side move करेंगे और subtraction में left side move करेंगे, right? So the subtraction of two whole numbers can also be shown on the number line. Let us find the 7 minus 5. So first we will start from 7. ठीक है? फिर क्योंकि 7 हम लोग subtract कर रहे हैं, subtraction I told you that we have to jump towards left hand side. So we are subtracting minus 5. So 7 से हम लोग को 5 step left side में जाना पड़ेगा. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we reached at 2. Right? So that means 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. So this is the answer. Now we'll move to. So now we are moving toward the next division on the number line. So division is nothing but it is the subtraction only, repeated subtraction. Multiplication is repeated addition. तो हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ में समझा रहा हूँ. सपोज 12 by 5 है, 3 है. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 12 में से 3 माइनस करते जाओ जब तक कि वो 0 ना हो. एंड वॉट एवर द लास्ट, अगर 0 नहीं हुआ जो भी बचेगा दैट विल बी द रिमाइंडर. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 12. सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 3. सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू मूव लेफ्ट साइड. चलो 12 से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ और यहाँ पे क्योंकि हम लोग 3 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो एक एक जंप जो है वो 3 स्टेप्स का होगा. सी फर्स्ट जंप, सेकेंड जंप, थर्ड जंप, फोर्थ जंप. सो नाउ वी हैव टू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ जंप्स. सो वी जंप्ड 4 times. So that means 12 divided by 3 is 4. So in this way we have to use number line for division. Now we'll see multiplication. just now I told you that multiplication is nothing but it is a repeated addition. Okay, so I will explain with the help of one example. Suppose 3 into 2 we are going to do. Okay, so 3 into 4, that means 3 we have to add 4 times. ठीक है, 3 we have to add 4 times. तो हम लोग 0 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग ऐड कर रहे हैं, दैट इज वाई वी हैव टू मूव टू राइट साइड. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. 3 यूनिट्स का जंप है 4 टाइम्स. 1 2 3 4. So we reach it at 12. That means 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So this is the multiplication. Now we'll do some few questions from try this addition, subtraction and multiplication also. Find 4 plus 5, 2 plus 6 using the number line. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ कर दिए. हम लोग को 4 plus 5 मतलब 4 में 5 ऐड करना है. So we have to move to right side. 1 2 3 4 5. We reached at 9. So that means 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Next 2 plus 6. So 2 से हम लोग को स्टार्ट करना है, प्लस 6 ऐड करना है, तो 6 जंप. 2 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we reach it at 8. So 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So this is an example for addition. Now subtraction. Find 8 minus 3 and 6 minus 2 using number line. So minus कर रहे हैं, we have to move left side. So first 8 minus 3. So 8 से start करेंगे left side. 3 jump. 1 2 3. So we reach it at 5. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Now the next one is 6 minus 2. So 6 में से 2 माइनस कर रहे हैं, तो 6 से लेफ्ट साइड में 2 जंप करेंगे. So यहाँ पे 6 है. 1 2. So we reach it at 4. So 8 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Right? So अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन के एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. Find 2 into 6 and 3 into 3. So 2 jumps, 2 यूनिट्स का जंप है 6 टाइम्स. 3 यूनिट्स का जंप है 3 टाइम्स. So सबसे पहले 2 into 6. We'll start from 0. 2 यूनिट्स का जंप है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 jump. So we reach it at 12. So that means 2 into 6 is equals to 12. Now 3 into 3. 3 units का jump 3 times. So we'll start from 0. 1 2 3. We reach it at 9. So 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Right? Now we'll move toward the next topic, that is distributive property based questions. Right? So distributivity of multiplication over addition. तो ये थोड़ा मैं explain कर रहा हूँ example के साथ में. 7 into 2 plus 4 bracket में रहेगा. So whenever we will open the bracket, so what we will do? 7 into 2 plus 7 into 4. Right? This is one way. 7 into 2 plus 7 into 4. So we can do this expression, we can solve this expression by 2 ways. I will explain first way. पहले add करो फिर multiply करो. 7 into 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So we will get 42. Now अभी जो मैंने बताया था 7 into 2 plus 7 into 4. So 14 plus 28. 14 plus 28 is 42. So we get the same answer in both the cases. So therefore 3 into 2 plus 4 is equals to 7 into 2. 7 into 2 plus 4 is equals to 7 into 2 plus 7 into 4. Similarly, अगर 4 into 3 plus 5 है तो 4 into 3 plus 4 into 5 लिखेंगे. This property is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now we are going to use this property in a few questions. Examples 12 into 35. So what we will do, 35 को हम लोग 30 plus 5 लिखेंगे. ठीक है. Now we will open the bracket by using distributive property. 12 into 30 plus 12 into 5. So 12 into 30 is 360 and 12 into 5 is 60. 360 plus 60 is 420. So this is the final answer. एक और एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. नाउ दिस इज रिवर्स, उल्टा. इसमें 126 कॉमन है, देखो. तो हम लोग 126 अगर कॉमन लेते हैं तो यहाँ बचेगा 55 एंड हियर 45 इज लेफ्ट. सो 126 into 55 plus 45 we can write. Now 55 plus 45 is 100. Now with multiplying 100 is very easy. We have to put 20 with 126. So this is the final answer, 12,600. Now we'll do some few important questions from exercise 2.2. First question देख लेते हैं. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So this is the question. हम लोग इसमें क्या करेंगे, दो नंबर ऐसे ऐड करेंगे जिसमें हम लोग को यूनिट प्लेस में 0 आना चाहिए. सी दिस टू नंबर्स वी विल रीअरेंज. ये दोनों का ऐड करने से देखो 37 और 63 100 हो गया. सो वी विल ऐड दिस टू फर्स्ट. ऐसा रीअरेंज कर लेंगे. सो इफ यू ऐड यू विल गेट 1200. नाउ 1200 प्लस 208 इज 1408. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, सी 62 को में 38 ऐड करने से 100 आ रहा है और 53 में 47 ऐड करने से 100 आ रहा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पेयर दिस टू. चलो ये दोनों पेयर कर लिए. नाउ इफ यू ऐड दिस टू 1962 and 1538 we will get 3500, and if you add this you will get 1100. Now adding these two are very easy, 4600. So this is the final answer. Okay, now we are moving towards next question. Find the product by suitable arrangement. तो यहाँ पे दो नंबर ऐसे फाइंड करेंगे जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से या तो 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 ऐसे नंबर आ रहा है. सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में अगर 2 into 50 करेंगे तो 100 आएगा. सो दैट इज वाई वी विल राइट दिस टू टुगेदर बाय यूजिंग कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू मेंशन हियर. तो ये 100 हो गया. ना 100 में 2 0 है तो इसके आगे 2 0 लगा देंगे. सो विल गेट 1,76,800. Now the second question, see if you multiply these two we'll get 100. 4 into 25. तो उन दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे. So 4 into 25 is 100. So 166 के बाद में 2 0 लगा दिए. So we'll get 16,600. Now the last question, 8 into 125 is 1000. So we will multiply those two first. So 1000 हो गया ये. 1000 में 3 0 है तो यहाँ पे 3 0 ऐड कर लो. So we'll get 2,91,000. Okay. Now we are moving toward next question. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. तो यहाँ पे distributive property use करना है. What you have to do, you have to identify the common number 297. So उसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, बाहर निकालेंगे. So यहाँ पे 17 बचेगा और यहाँ पे 3 बचेगा. So 297 into 17 plus 3 which is 20. ठीक है. नाउ 297 into 20. सो 297 into 2 होता है 594. उसके बाद एक जीरो लगा दो. सो 5,940. राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 54,279 into 92 प्लस 8 into 54,279. तो यहाँ पे देखो ये दोनों सेम नंबर है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक कॉमन बाय यूजिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. सो 92 और 8 बचेगा बस. सो 92 प्लस 8 जो है वो 100 होगा. 100 से इंटू करना बहुत ईजी है. इसके बाद 2 0 लगा दो. सो ये हो गया 54,27,900. राइट. नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन वाज देयर, सी बिट, उसको भी कर लेते हैं. 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. So see, these two numbers are same, common. So we will take outside. So here 169 will be left and here 69 will be left, and in between minus sign is there, so we have to write minus. So 169 minus 69 is 100. So यहाँ 100 में 2 0 है तो यहाँ पे 2 0 लगा दो. So ये हो जाएगा 81,26,500. Right. Now we are moving towards the next one. Find the product using suitable properties. So both the questions are based on distributive properties only. What we will do, we will write 103 as 100 plus 3. Now split the, use the distributive law. So 738 into 100, 738 into 3. So 738 into 100 multiply करना easy है, 2 0 लगा दिए, and 738 into 3 is 2214. Now if you add these two, you will get 76,000. यहाँ पे 0 मिलेगा, हाँ 14, 76,014. So this is the final answer. Now second question, 854 into 102. So 102, what we will do? We will write it as 100 plus 2. Now open the bracket by using distributive law. 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2. Right? So यहाँ पे 2 0 लगा देंगे यहाँ पे, और 854 into 2 होता है 1708. So if you add these two, finally you will get 87,108. Right? So now we are moving towards some word problems. This is also I have taken from the same exercise. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So the petrol quantity filled on Monday is 40, and Tuesday is 50, and the total is 40 plus 50, and the rate is given 44. So we have to multiply 44 into 40 plus 50. This is 90. 44 into 90. So ये हो जाएगा 3,960. So this is the final answer. Right. Now we are moving toward the next question. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in evening. So 32 liter morning, 68 liter evening, and the cost of milk per liter is 45. So how much money is due to vendor per day? So first we will write morning quantity, the milk quantity in the morning is 32, and milk quantity in the evening is 68, and the total is 32 plus 68, and the rate is given 45. So 45 into 32 plus 68, this is 100. So 45 into 100 is 4,500. So this is the final answer. Right? So now we are moving towards the next, the last topic, patterns in whole numbers. Be sure to arrange numbers in elementary shapes made up of dots. Okay? So the shape we take are 1, a line, 2, rectangle, 3rd, square, 4th, triangle. So every number can be arranged as a line. Right? No other shape is allowed, only one shape. Right. So every number can be arranged as a line. The number 1 is shown as single dot. The number 2 is shown as 2 dots. See, one line hai. The number 3 is shown as 3 dots. See, one line. The number 4, the number 3 nahi hai, 4 hai. The number 4 is shown as 4, this is also line, and so on. ऐसे हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. अब हम लोग को रिप्रेजेंट करना है रेक्टेंगल. तो सम नंबर्स कैन बी शोन ऑल्सो एज रेक्टेंगल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 into 3, 3 into 4. ठीक है. पैटर्न जो है 12 नंबर्स. द नंबर 12 कैन बी शोन एज रेक्टेंगल. हाउ? 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Okay. So this can be shown by dots which form a rectangle, and so are known as rectangular numbers. See, this is 3 into 4. We can show this is a rectangle by joining this one. 3 into 4. Next one is 2 into 6. 2 rows, 6 columns, and 6 into 2 भी लिख सकते हैं इसको. Right. Now some numbers can also be arranged as a squares. So look at this pattern. This is 1 into 1, 1 square. Right? This is 2 into 2, 2 square, that is 4. 4 dots we can arrange in the shape of square. This is the square. And 3 into 3, that is 3 square, equals to 9. 9 dots also we can arrange in the form of square. So this is square, and 4 into 4, that is 4 square, 16. 16 also we can arrange in a square. So we are getting square. Like that 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. 25 also we can arrange as a square. See, we are getting square. 25 dots are there. Right. So numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 which form squares are called square numbers. Okay. So we'll see some more example as a triangle. 1, first 1. Second 1 plus 2. See, we'll get triangle. Next 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here also we are getting triangle. Total 6 dots. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here also we are getting triangle. Total 10 dots. Right. So these numbers are called triangular numbers. Okay. Now we'll see few patterns and we will try to identify the rules and we will try to write the next numbers. Identify the rule. 2, 7, 12, 17, so on and write the next 3 numbers. तो पहले तो ध्यान से देखो, इसमें हम लोग अगर 5 ऐड कर रहे हैं तो 7 मिल रहा है. If we add again 7 plus 5 we'll get 12. So again if we add plus 5 12 में 12 plus 5 that is 17. See, plus 5 करते जा रहे हैं तो नंबर मिल रहा है. तो नेक्स्ट plus 5 में क्या मिलेगा? 22. Right. So this is the rule. Add 5 to the previous terms to get the next term in the pattern. So here we are getting 22, again plus 5, 27, again plus 5, 32. Right. Okay, we'll see the next question, next example. Identify the rule in the pattern 2, 6, 18, 54. See carefully. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 3, 54. So what we are observing, multiplying by 3 we are getting the next number. Multiply the previous term by 3 we are getting the next term. So to find the next 3 terms also we have to multiply with 3. So first if we multiply with 3 we will get 162. 162, एक मिनट उसको लिख लेते हैं. 162 into 3 is 486. And 486 into 3 is 1458. Right. So we are getting these numbers. So the next 3 numbers in the pattern are 162, 486 and 1458. Right. We'll see one more example. Identify the rule in the pattern 4, 15, 8, 19, 12, 23, 16, so on. Write the missing terms. So ध्यान से देखो, 4 में अगर हम लोग plus 11 कर रहे हैं तो 15 मिल रहा है, plus 11. और 15 के बाद कम हो गया, -7. फिर से plus 11 in 19, फिर से -7, 12. So that means add 11 to one term and subtract 7 from the other term. Then you are getting the numbers. फिर plus 11, -7. Same rule we will identify for the next 3 terms. So 16 plus 11, 27. So we are getting 27. Next, एक मिनट इसमें लिख लेते हैं. 27 minus 7 we are getting 20. Then plus 11 we are getting 30. Right. So the missing terms are 27, 20 and 31. So this is the last question of this revision. Now tomorrow we will do the revision of playing with numbers. I will divide playing with numbers in 3 revision. Okay. So tomorrow I will tell you in which period I am going to take. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.